Hola chicos, we're Meg and Aaron. We've just come up to our 1 year anniversary with Global Spanish, so we just want to share our experience with them. I actually came across Global Spanish on Instagram, and what really stood out to me was that they focus on teaching you to speak Spanish rather than just teaching you the rules out of a textbook, which, let's be honest, can be kind of dull and boring at the best of times. So we decided to go for them.
So we both work remotely, and we wanted a learning program that was flexible and could fit around us. And we also wanted to learn a bit of Spanish because we were planning on going to Latin America uh, in the year just gone. Uh, as Meg said, we've been with Global Spanish for about a year now, and we've been having 2 lessons a week with our amazing tutor Andres. Those lessons have definitely paid off. We're currently sat in Latin America now, and having had those lessons and the conversational knowledge that we've learnt, we'd definitely be able to order in restaurants. We've been able to make requests, catch buses, get trains, everything we've needed to do in a continent that actually speaks a lot less English than I thought they did.
And as Aaron kind of touched on a little bit, we just want to give a huge shout out to our tutor, Andres, who has been absolutely incredible. He speaks amazing English, which has been a major help for us in our learning process. And not only that, but he's got great sense of humour, and he makes all of our lessons like really fun and very relaxed. So we genuinely look forward to our lessons. But what I would say is that they have loads of tutors. So you can go on and book the time with any tutor that you like, or you can get comfortable like we have with Andres and continuously book lessons with the same tutor.
Yeah. So if you're thinking about learning Spanish, then we definitely recommend Global Spanish. Their prices are reasonable and they're really flexible. I think on their website there's 3 packages to choose from, but if you've got more or less time or have different needs, then just get in touch with them and I'm sure they'll be able to put together a special price package for you.
So if you do want to learn more and you are interested in learning Spanish, check out their website. They've got loads of information on there, all information about the tutors, loads of information about the different packages, and of course about prices as well. Or alternatively, if it's easier for you and you want to get in contact with them, just send them an email. They're super friendly, really nice, and always willing to help.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Adios.
Adios.